And good evening to my fellow panelists. There is no way two about it. इंडिया को दो लोगों ने तंग कर रखा है, एक ट्रंप ने और एक सस्ते ट्रंप ने। अभी ट्रंप की बात तो आप करेंगी बाद में, पहले मैं सस्ते ट्रंप की बात करूं। नाविका, द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज, मैंने आपको पिछली बार भी कहा था कि मुझे राहुल गांधी जी पे गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा। आपने मुझे एक्चुअली कैस्टिगेट किया था क्योंकि तब मेरा बीपी हाई हो गया था। मेरे को आप पे गुस्सा आया था और मुझे द चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर पे गुस्सा आया था, मिस्टर ज्ञानेश कुमार पे। उन पे गुस्सा इसलिए आया था कि मैं राहुल गांधी की गलती मानता ही नहीं। आज उन्होंने झूठ बोला है, कल झूठ बोला था, परसों झूठ बोला था। इफ यू रिमेंबर, लेट अरुण जेटली जी का नाम लाके इतना गंदा झूठ बोला था। हर रोज झूठ बोलते हैं, उसमें आई डोंट ब्लेम हिम, दैट इज हिज जॉब। द पॉइंट इज, व्हाई ऑन अर्थ हैज मिस्टर ज्ञानेश कुमार नॉट सूड और फॉर डेफमेशन राहुल गांधी एवर? हर रोज का ये मामला। अब आप आज का किस्सा ले लीजिए। साइंटिस्ट आपको ये लॉजिकली कहेगा, क्योंकि अगर आप कोई भी टेस्ट रख रहे हो, मतलब कोई भी फाइंडिंग रख रहे हो, उसका कंट्रोल क्या है? इट इज बाय हैबिट दैट अ पर्सन थिंक्स, इफ वन इज डूइंग साइंस, कि व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव कंट्रोल, व्हाट इज द नेगेटिव कंट्रोल। मैं मान सकता हूं कि राहुल गांधी ये कभी सोचे ना कि एक कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, लेकिन उनके एडवाइजर तो हैं, और यहां पैनल पे भी उनके बहुत ही इरुडाइट एडवाइजर रह चुके हैं। उनको एक ऐसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी ढूंढनी चाहिए थी जहां पे वोटर डुप्लीकेशन हुई है लेकिन जीता कौन? कांग्रेस। अब क्या ऐसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है? ये देखिए, इसमें इन्होंने चुप्पी साधी हुई है। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने एक जगह पोल में राजा राजेश्वरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी 2018 में पोल स्थगित कर दिया था, जहां पे कांग्रेस जीती थी। 20,000 वोटर कार्ड्स वर फाउंड। डुप्लीकेशन इज द नॉर्म. That is the reason why Election Commission routinely has not only the revision but also the special intensive revision. तभी मैं बार बार कहता हूं कि राहुल गांधी स्टार प्रचारक हैं। अब ये बीजेपी के नहीं है, ये इलेक्शन कमीशन के भी हैं। He has given the strongest endorsement for conducting the SIR 6 months before every election, either general or state. Because what did the SIR find in Bihar? About 60 lakh voters that were dummy voters. Out of that 20 to 30 lakhs were dead voters. अब आप ये बताइए, अब अगर आपको डेड वोटर कार्ड्स पे कोई और वोट कर रहा है, इसमें इलेक्शन कमीशन की क्या गलती है भाई? You can blame the political party, but then every political party has to be blamed. मैंने कांग्रेस का एग्जांपल लिया, बीजेपी का लिया। Why is he blaming इलेक्शन कमीशन? और इलेक्शन कमीशन का काउंटर देखिए। उन्होंने कहा सारे इलेक्टोरल रोल्स हमने वी गेव इट टू द कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता, वी गेव इट टू द कांग्रेस लीडर्स। इट्स बीन अ ईयर, मोर देन अ ईयर, नॉट अ सिंगल कंप्लेंट वाज फाइल्ड। व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन आउट हियर? बट एज आई सेड, मेरा खून खोलने से पहले मुझे रोक लो नाविका, वरना मैं ज्ञानेश कुमार पे खुद केस
रोक दिया। बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग इन अनवर पाशा. Anwar Pasha, the nuclear scientist, has just told you why the atom bomb did not actually get diffused. I'll tell you why. Because simply now Rahul Gandhi has made a case for the special SIR activity to go on with greater gusto. Because अगर ये ना करो तो प्रॉब्लम, कर दो तो प्रॉब्लम। आप खुश तो होने वाले हैं नहीं किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी से, कम जब तक आपकी सरकार वापस नहीं आएगी तब तक तो आप मीन मेक निकालते रहेंगे। लेकिन आई एम वांटिंग टू आस्क यू, if all the voter rolls are given to political parties, there is time. एक साल पहले दिया था, आप लोग कंप्लेंट फाइल क्यों नहीं करते? इलेक्शन को एक साल से ऊपर हो चुका है, आप कोर्ट क्यों नहीं जाते? आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू, व्हाई इज एवरीथिंग अ स्लग फेस्ट ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड नॉट where it should actually be, which is a court of law? Because court of law अगर judgment देती है तो आप उसको भी कहते हो हम नहीं मानेंगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ये इख्तियार नहीं है, they can't speak like this, they can't tell us this. Everything you don't want to believe in. You don't want to believe in the courts, you don't want to believe in the constitutional institutions, but you carry the constitution in your pocket. क्या कर रहे हैं बॉस?
Navica ji, good evening to you and all the panelists. Whatever the arguments you or the BJP spokesperson and other panelists who support BJP and Election Commission, they may offer, but the fact remains that the Election Commission is not functioning in a proper way. That's why there is so much problem with the Election Commission, and the people are losing their faith in Election Commission. Election Commission has lost its trust And people are saying that this is the election commission of BJP, not the election commission of India. Because you have given the example of Bihar. If you go by the SIA that is being conducted there, so many evidences have come. All social medias have provided so many proofs and evidences. And still you are saying that there is no complaint. We are collecting the complaints. Thousands and thousands of complaints are pouring in. We are collecting it. And just have patience. We will present it before the court on 12th and 13th of August this month. Then you will come to know what are the evidences and how the election commission, their functionaries and their BLOs have acted. One BLO, now what is happening in Bihar? I had gone there in Bihar. People are looking for the BLOs. They have disappeared. They are trying to find him and ask why my paper was not submitted. Why my documents were not submitted? I gave you the documents, you didn't upload it. So this kind of state of affairs is there in Bihar. So people are looking for BLOs. This is the fact. And they are not found anywhere. They have disappeared. It shows how, in what manner the BLOs have submitted the forms. They filled the forms. You have seen the evidences. They were sitting in one room, 50 BLOs sitting in one room, filling the forms and uploading it on their own, without the signature, without the details, without the photographs, without the documents. So this is the state of affairs. That's why this election commission has lost its credibility, and we are questioning it. What is the duty of election commission? To satisfy the citizen of the country that the elections are held without any rigging, without any inappropriate manner. And voters' rights are protected.
Anwar Pasha ji, last I heard, citizens didn't have a problem. It is the political parties who have a problem when they lose. I have not seen citizens coming forward and questioning it. Sudhanshu Trivedi, why are these political parties saying that citizens have lost faith in the election commission?
Navika ji, the evidences we have collected
Anwar Pasha ji has said, his response is very peculiar.
Are given by the citizens.
The
complaints come from citizens. And the illiterate
now, Mr. Anwar Pasha,
will
you
not
should
speak before you. The illiterate citizens will not come to your channel.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Very appropriate. Illiterate citizens will not come to the channel, but a very learned illiterate persons will come to the channel. And considering that the people of India are illiterate, I will give you one example, sir. Till 1st of September, anybody whose name is not in the tentative list can file the complaint or can replenish the document. How many citizens have done it? I'm asking you. What do you consider? All the viewers as illiterate. Still the date is 1st September.
Thousands.
Anybody who is thinking that his name is not there or his document is not properly uploaded.
Sudhanshu ji,
sir, आपने अपने टर्न पे बोलिए. आपने अपने टर्न पे. आपने अपने टर्न पे बोलिए साहब. सर मैं यही तो कह रहा हूं, अगर उसको लगता है इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज रिलीज द लिस्ट एंड इट हैज गिवन ए टाइम ऑफ 1 month. Anybody who is not satisfied with the decision of the election commission, he can provide and upload the document. Why your people are not doing? Number 2, your answer was so amusing. It's all over social media. Navika ji, मुझे याद आ गया, वो ख्वाजा आसिफ, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान, has said in an interview कि इंडिया के सारे एयर बेसेस जो हैं डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिए गए. तो the question was asked, where is the evidence? It's all over social media. In the same manner, Mr. Anwar Pasha is saying it's all over social media. Why not there where its situation should be actually shown? And again, I would like to say, instead of going to a proper channel of constitutionally defined procedure for a constitutional body, this extra constitutional PPT which is being done, that shows, and one sentence I would like to say. I asked millions of viewers to check from where the India Alliance has got hugest majority. Most huge margin. In 2024, the biggest margin was in Dhubri seat of Assam. Rakibul Hasan of Congress won by 10,25,000 votes.